vision is probably our highest valued sense. However, retinal degeneration causes many forms of sight loss. In age-related macular degeneration, the center of the field of view is lost. In the rare inherited disease retinitis pigmentosa, the lateral field of view is progressively lost. What causes these visual impairments, and what can be done to restore sight in these patients? Light enters the eye through the pupil and crystalline lens, projecting visual scenes. The retina, the thin tissue layer at the bottom of the eye, contains photoreceptor cells and signal-adjusting neurons that send visual information to the brain through the optic nerve. In the healthy retina, on the left, cells transform light into information for the brain. A protein called mGlu6 is located at the input neuron of the circuit and drives the activity of the retina. However, in retinal degeneration, on the right, photoreceptor cells die, and signals cannot be transmitted to the brain. We have developed an innovative drug that changes shape with light and activates the protein mGlu6 in the same way as photoreceptors would do in healthy conditions. These signals are correctly propagated throughout the retinal circuit again and are sent to the brain, allowing to restore light perception and visual acuity in mouse models of retinal degeneration. This drug acts as a molecular prosthesis that mimics the physiological signaling in the retina, with potential to restore impaired visual responses resulting from retinal degeneration diseases. Eyelumina, molecular photoswitches to restore vision.